In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can generate links and use them on your articles and content. On the Creative Campaign page, you can find banners and graphics that are useful to place on your site. Today we will cover the links generate first. The most straightforward way is, you can simply click the copy button to copy your referral link. Next, you can create your content based on any beauty or skincare topics. Simply just paste your referral link on the keyword that you wish to link. As you can see, the linked word will have your referral link. If your readers click the keyword, they will be linked to our website with your referred ID attached. There might be times that you wish to have a deeper link, like an example, link directly to our brand's page. Simply copy our inner page's URL, paste it into the link generator, and click Generate. Copy the generated link, and paste it into your content. So you can see, your referral will be directed to the brand page attached with your referral ID. You will get the commission for any products your referral buys with us. You can do the same with any beauty products on our site. Copy the product's URL, and paste it into the link generator. Copy the generated link and paste it anyway in your content that you wish to associate with. Your reader interested in the product clicked and directed to our website, made the purchase, and the commission is yours. In the next tutorial, we will guide you on using our banners and graphics. Thanks for watching.